Okay students, good morning. This is the third part of problems in circles. Okay, here one problem is given, our first problem. I can say this is C8 because in last part we completed 7 problems. So I want to read the problem first. An equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is a. With one of the vertices a, 0. Means automatically this is a point on x-axis. Okay. The equation of the side opposite to this vertex means we want to find the equation opposite to vertex a, 0. So first of all I want to draw the diagram. So this is the given circle and this is the x-axis. Okay. Somewhere center here, this is the center of the circle, say C 0, 0 or O also can say because the origin here 0, 0. So automatically this is one of the vertex of the triangle A, that is small a, 0. Okay students, now I want the remaining sides of the triangle. This is the one of the side, this is another side, this is third side of the equal triangle. Okay students, here important thing is, first of all I want to name the equal triangle. So this is vertex B, this is vertex C. Actually you want to find equation of BC. Okay, but important thing is, for this equilateral triangle, x-axis is the line of symmetry. X-axis is the line of symmetry. Okay, for triangle. Means what happened now? This become 30 degree, this also 30 degree. Okay, so I want to draw y-axis also for my convenience. And this is the y-axis. Okay students, observe here. This angle is 90 degree. Okay, this 30 means this 60 degree. Already equal triangle of B 60 and C also 60. So it's showing that this y-axis and BC are parallel. So what is the equation of BC? X equal to some constant. So let do one thing, Nana. Let where the BC intersect the x-axis, let the point is taken as M. Now equation of BC. Equal to, I can say x plus OM equal to 0. Because BC is parallel to y-axis, OM units from y-axis and left hand side of the y-axis. Now I can say that the required equation is x plus OM equal to 0. So it is better to find the length of OM or value of OM. Okay, for finding the value of OM, so join OB first. So this is radius of the circle, this is also radius circle, so it's isosceles. Here 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. Total 60, no, this is also 30 degree. It's angular bisector. Here 30, here 30. Exterior, no, this is 60, already this is 90. So by using this right triangle, so BMO right triangle. Okay, so this is nothing but radius of the circle, that is A. This is 60 degree. I want OM. Cos 60 degree is equal to OM by OM divided by what? BO or OB. So 1 by 2 equal to OM means required one, just you write OM only. OB means small a. So OM equal to A by 2. OM equal to A by 2. So the equation of BC implies x plus, instead of that I can write a by 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus a equal to 0. This is the equation of side BC. Okay students, now we can conclude that answer is third option, x plus 2a equal to 0. Yeah, okay students, this is our second problem. If a triangle ABC whose circumcenter is at the origin and a small a lesser than or equal to sin a, then for any point x comma y inside the circumcircle of triangle ABC we have some relations are given. We want to establish these relations. First of all, I want to draw the diagram. This is a circle. Yeah, this is the triangle named as ABC. Clearly given S circumcenter is the origin. Okay, automatically SCA and SB and SCR become the radius of the same circle. SCA is R, SB is R, SCA also R. So I will take SCA equal to SB equal to SC equal to capital R. So important thing is x comma y is any point. X comma y is any point inside the triangle. Any point x comma y here, for example, let its coordinates are taken as m. So what is given? Given x comma y is inside the okay. So what is the meaning of that? S m value should be lesser than radius of the circle clearly. Sm is a distance, distance between S and m. S is 0, 0, m is x, y. Directly can say that root over x square plus y square lesser than r, or x square plus y square lesser than r square. This is the one of the result for us. Okay, but actually what you want a relation between xy you want. You don't want x square plus y square. So what problem is saying that you need to use AMGM inequality for two positive real a comma b, a plus b by 2 greater than or equal to root ab only. This is called AMGM inequality. AM greater than or equal to GM. Okay, so here x square and y square positive, now I want to apply AMGM inequality for these two, x square plus y square. X square plus y square greater than or equal to 2 into root over x square into y square I can write, or I can write x square plus y square greater than or equal to 2 mod xy. Okay, so this is result number 2. Observe result 1 and 2. You get one more interesting result. The value of x square plus y is lesser than r square. The value of x square plus y is greater than or equal to 2 mod xy. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 I can write. Observe here. R square is greater than x square plus y square is greater than or equal to 2 mod xy. Observe here. So directly now I want to compare this with this because you want xy. So what you will get, Nana? R square is greater than or equal to 2 mod xy. So this is interesting, is the third result. So what you got, Nana? R square is greater than or equal to 2 mod xy. So this is result number 3. Yeah, observe problem. Here something is given here. What is given? Small a lesser than or equal to sin a. Small a lesser than or. Okay, I will write that one. Small a lesser than or equal to sin a. Already you know that by sine rule, in any triangle ABC, small a by sin a equal to 2r. Or small a equal to 2r sin a. So instead of the small a, I can write 2r sin a. Okay, Nana. 2r sin a is lesser than or sin a. So a never equal to 0 here, sin a never 0. Then what you got? R is lesser than or equal to 1 by 2. But you want r square, no? So r is positive only, no problem squaring on either side. R square lesser than or equal to 1 by 4. This is fourth relation. Observe fourth relation and third relation. What is that? 1 by 4 is greater than or equal to r square. This is fourth one. Third one saying that r square is greater than 2 mod xy. So directly now we can compare first with last. So what is conclusion, Anna? 1 by 4 is greater than 2 mod xy. Or another words I can say that mod xy is lesser than 1 by 8. So you need to observe. Okay, option 1 is correct. Yes, student, next problem C10. If a greater than 2b greater than 0 means a and 2b are positive real number, that too a greater than 2b. Then the positive value of m means you want to find the value of m for which y equal mx minus b into root over 1 plus m square is a common tangent to x square plus y square equal to b square and x minus a whole square plus y square equal to b square. Okay, observe here, one of the circle center is 0 comma 0 and radius is b. Another circle center is a comma 0 and radius is b. Both the circles are having same radii, means equal circles, but centers are not same. First center of the first circle is 0 comma 0, center of the second circle is a comma 0. That's why they are equal, but their positions are different. Okay students, according to the problem, center of first circle is 0 comma 0, center of second circle is a comma 0. Both are equal circle, no? Both are having radius b only. So y equal mx minus b into root over m square, a common tangent. So equation of green line is given as y is equal to mx minus b into root over 1 plus m square. So here also this is a slope form of a tangent equation. This tangent for both the circles. Then what you should find, Anna? M value should find now. M should find m. Just you can find m now. So these two are equal circles. This is tangent. For example, this is the point of tangency. Say this is C1. Say this is C2. Okay. So this point of tangent is taken as P. This point of tangent is taken as Q. Automatically C1P is perpendicular to tangent. C2Q perpendicular to tangent, and also these two should be same, means distance from C1 to the line is equal to distance from C2 to the line. That is the hint for the problem given. C1P equal to C2Q. So everyone know how to find the distance from one point to another line. Point is taken as x comma y. The line is taken as ax plus by plus c equal 0. Distance is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. First of all, I want to write this equation standard form, that is mx minus y minus b into root over 1 plus m square, tangent equation. So once this is become 0 comma 0, another time it becomes a comma 0, 0 comma 0. So 0 plus 0 minus b into root over 1 plus m square by root over a square of b square means m square plus 1 is equal to modulus of a to this point am plus 0 minus b into root over 1 plus m square, okay, by root over 1 plus m square plus 1. So I want to simplify this. Then what happen, mod b into root over 1 plus m square by root over m square plus 1 equal to mod am minus b into root over 1 plus m square by root over 1 plus m square. So what happened, these two can cancel. Yeah, students, already B positive, this is positive, direct total positive only. Directly can say that LHS is B into root over 1 plus m square. But here directly can't open modulus because A and B are positive only, but difference of these two may be positive or may not be positive. So I will take two cases. First case, AM minus B into root over 1 plus m square, or B root over 1 plus m square minus half means minus AM plus B into root over 1 plus m square. See second case first of all. In second case these two get cancelled. So what happened? AM equal to 0. Already A positive, M should be 0 from second condition. So given already A greater than 0. So but given M is positive, M is positive, but given M is positive, that's why I can't take M as a 0. So this case rule out. Now I want to use this case to solve the problem. We transfer this side, 2B into root over 1 plus m square equal to AM, or 4B square into 1 plus m square equal to A square m square. We want to find m value, nana. So directly m square times of here 4B square, so minus A square equal to minus 4B square. So now m square is equal to 4B square by A square minus 4B square, or m equal to 2b, actually mod b, but already b greater than 0, that directly I wrote 2b by root over A square minus 4b square. This is the value of m. Now we want to cross check with our options. 2b by A square minus 4b square, 2b by A square minus 4b square, so option 1 is correct. Okay students, our next problem, C11. If a line passing through the point P1 comma minus 2 and cut the circle x square plus y square minus x minus y equal 0 at A and B, then the maximum value of PA plus BB. Maximum value of PA plus BB should find now. Maximum value. So first of all, I want to draw the diagram. By using power of point concept, you can say that P1 comma 2 is outside the circle. Say this is P here. Yeah, 1 comma minus 2. Now through P you can draw infinitely many lines. This is one line, so this is another line, this is another line. You can draw infinitely many lines. So interesting thing is, what you want this line intersecting the circle at A and B. This is A, this is B, or this is A, this is B. The question is PA plus PB should maximum. PA plus PB should maximum means that line motion should pass us through center. That is interesting thing. The line motion should pass us through center of the circle. Then we get PA plus PB becomes maximum. So now I can say that this point is A. Okay, this point is B. This is C. So in this situation only we get PA plus PB maximum. Now observe here, PA plus PB value I want now. Now what is my conclusion? The line motion should pass the center, then only we will get PA plus PB maximum. Okay, PA means what I can write? PC minus AC I can write. PC minus AC, because you know the coordinates of P, you know coordinates of C. I want to convert total problem in terms of PC. Okay, so instead of PA you can write PC minus AC plus PB. PB means PC plus CB I can write. CB is radius of the circle, AC also radius of the circle, cancel. So what you got? 2 times of PC. Just the maximum value of PA plus PB is nothing but 2 times of PC. Just you want to find distance between P to C. 2 times of that distance gives the answer for the problem. So what is P nan here? P is equal to 1 comma minus 2. What is C nan here? Center of the circle. Observe here. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now you want to find PC distance. So PC is root over, okay, yeah, 1 minus half whole square plus minus 2 minus half whole square. So this is same as, okay, this is 1 by 4 plus this is 2 to the 4, 25 by 4. So directly now I want to write here is, which is same as 2 into root over 26 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Therefore maximum value of PA plus BB is root 26. Maximum value of PA plus PB equal to root over 26. According to the option 1 is correct. Okay students, this is our 12th problem. I want to read the problem first. The value of theta in this interval, so that the circle x square plus y square plus 2 times of sin alpha x plus 2 times of cos alpha y plus sin square theta equal 0 always lie inside the square of unit side. For example, this is the square of one unit side. So what is given in a circle is always inside the square, means this diameter, for example. So what is the meaning of this? So the diameter length should be lesser than or equal to 1. I will write that given d lesser than or equal to 1, 2r lesser than or equal to 1, or 4r square lesser than or equal to 1. Okay, by using this hint I want to solve the problem. So first of all, r means what is radius of the circle. I want to find radius of the circle. So first of all I want to write center. Center is nothing but, yeah, what is that, nana? Minus sin alpha comma minus cos alpha. Radius I want, radius equal to root over g square means sin square alpha, f square cos square alpha minus c minus sin square theta. So now I want to write r square directly. R square equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So what you got, nana? R square equal to, now you got cos square theta. So I want to write here now. According to the 1, what happened? 4 cos square theta lesser than or equal to 1. Now this is a simple trigonometrical inequality. Now you want to solve 4 cos square theta lesser than or equal to 1 in this interval. So that is not a big problem, nana. So I can write this one as, so now I can write this is 2 into mod cos theta is lesser than or equal to 1, or mod cos theta is lesser than or equal to half. Just we need to draw the graph of cos theta. After that you can identify the what values of theta. Mod cos theta lesser than or equal to half. Okay students, what do you want, nana? Cos theta, mod cos theta lesser than or equal to half. Okay students, to solve this problem, first of all I want to find the value of theta, so that cos theta, mod cos theta equal to half. Mod cos theta equal to half, or I can say cos square theta equal to 1 by 4, or cos square theta equal to cos square pi by 3. Cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, then directly theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n is an integer. Okay, now I want to draw the graph of this simple graph. So in interval, what is interval here? 0 to 2 pi interval. Okay, student, this is a rough sketch of mod cos theta. This is pi by 2. This is 3 pi by 2. Yeah, what you want up to 2 pi only, no? So here somewhere pi. So here 2 pi up to 2 pi. That's why I want to draw a vertical line. So in this area, I want to find the value of theta so that mod cos theta lesser than half. Mod cos theta value should be equal to half or lesser than half. That's why I want to draw the line y equal to 1 by 2 first. Horizontal line which is options from x-axis and above x-axis. Yeah, this is the line. Okay, now these points important for us. So what is the meaning of this? Mod cos theta graph equal to half or lesser than half means this is the required graph. This is the required graph. Now required x values. So observe here, draw perpendicular on x-axis, draw perpendicular x-axis, on x-axis, on x-axis. This is nothing but, what is that? Pi by 3. So this is nothing but pi minus pi by 3. Means your x value should be lies between pi by 3 to pi minus pi by 3. So this point is nothing but pi plus pi by 3. So observe here, by using this only I am writing all the solutions. Theta equal n pi plus or minus pi by 3, no? So this is pi plus pi by 3. So this is nothing but 2 pi minus pi by 3. Now I want to write final solution. What is the meaning of this? This point will satisfy, this point will satisfy, and this graph. So that's why x belongs to, or theta belongs to, yeah, pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3, close interval, pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3, closed. Union again from these x values means, yeah, what is this? 4 pi by 3, closed 4 pi by 3 to this value means 5 pi by 3, closed 5 pi by 3. Okay, Nana, these are the required x value, theta values. Under this theta, so now I want cross check. Yeah, here pi by 3, 2 by 3. Okay, so fourth option is correct.